guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming the first video of 2018 and I'm really excited, and for this video I thought I would share with you guys my Ipsy Glambag unboxing for the month of January. Now I'm posting this up a little later just because I really wanted to get a sense of what products I received, and I kind of wanted to test them out to give you guys my review and opinion on the products that I received. For those of you that don't know what Ipsy is, it's basically a monthly subscription where you pay $10.95 a month and you get 5 different products in a cute little bag, and the cool part is that each month it's themed differently. So before you actually subscribe to it, then you take a survey in which you let them know what it is that you want to receive more of or what you want to venture out into, and it's really fun. So if you guys want to learn more about that, I'm going to be leaving down links so you guys can check that out. And yeah, so if you guys want to see this video and what it is that I received, stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. So starting off with the bag, I must say that I really liked this month's bag. Not so much December's. No, it was I think November's. I don't know, one of the last previous ones I didn't enjoy it, but yeah, this one I did enjoy. I think because it has sort of a feel of, you know, in January when it's like, well, I'm going to get fit, I'm going to go to the gym and stuff like that. So I think that this really embodies and ties in the whole going to the gym, and I don't know, I really like the different textures that it has and the different colors, and it's like this. So and I really like the neon colors. I don't know, there's just something about it that I really enjoy, and good job Ipsy on this month's glam bag. Starting off, the first product that I received was this heavy cream shea butter, and this is in the scent Cake. And as you can tell, I have been using this because in the cold my hands tend to just dry and over dry dramatically, so just having this in my purse really helps, and it smells amazing and I really enjoy this. The cool thing about this is that it's cruelty free, and this is actually created in Canada, so that's really cool. And I'm all about anything that is cruelty free, and like I said, it smells really good, and it's just a convenient size to have in your purse. The next thing that I received was this nail polish, and it's by the brand Void. I have not tried this out, but just the color is so beautiful, and anytime that they send me nail polish, I'm all about, because I love just nail polish, even if I don't wear it on occasion or very often. I just love the different colors, and I just love nail polish overall. So it's this shade here. It's kind of like a purple maroon color, I want to say, and the color doesn't have the name of the color, but it's just like this, and it's really pretty. And I did try this on my mom, and she really liked the color, and this says that 2 coats is enough, and honestly, like on the first coat it's good, but if you want it really opaque, then I suggest doing 2 coats. But like I said, it's such a beautiful color, and it's just great when they send me nail polish. The next thing that I received is this eyeshadow by Dirty Little Secret, and it's a very bronzy color. I have not tried this out, but I did like swatch it, and it's such a beautiful color, perfect for like the summer. So it's this one here. Look at how bronzy. I don't know if you can tell, but so pretty. Let me give you a little swatch. So there you go. I don't know if you can see it and stuff, but yeah, it's such a beautiful color, and the shade is Bikini, so you know, it ties in with the whole summer and bronzing feel to it and stuff. And like I said, I have not tried this out, but it's such a beautiful color, and I feel like if you were to wet your eyeshadow, if you were to wet your eyeshadow or eye brush and just put a little bit on your eyelids, it would really give it like a pop shimmer sort of color. So I'm really excited and looking forward to trying this out when it's in the warmer weather. But yeah, the next thing that I received was this Fierce Flicks Ciate eyeliner, and it's this one here. Now, I don't do eyeliner just because I don't know how to do it and stuff. So, and my sister had mentioned to me that she really wanted to start doing her eyeliner again, you know, and the wing liner and everything. So when I saw that I was receiving this, I decided to give it to her, and although I don't wear it, I did test it, and it's so pigmented, and like it applies on really easily. And I don't know, I think that she's gonna have a fun time with this, and the presentation is so pretty, even though it's simple and stuff. I think it's really pretty because it's just black, and it's silver, and it has stars. It's really cute, and Ciate is a good company, so I really hope that she enjoys this, and this is the item that I received. Last but not least, I received this Purlisse, I want to say. It's a blue lotus seed mud mask and exfoliate. And basically what this is, you put it on as a mask, and once it's maybe 10 to 15 minutes and you're about to wash it off, you put a little bit of water and you start exfoliating it. So you start scrubbing it like softly into your skin, and after, like, your face feels so nice and so smooth, and it actually smells good also. I've tried this maybe 2 times and I would recommend it just because it's really, really good, and I feel like it's 2 things in one. So it's a mud mask, and then after that you can exfoliate the mask onto your skin as you're washing it off. So I mean, I think it's a win-win situation, and I really enjoy this product. So there you guys have it. These were the 5 products that I received in this month's Glambag. Let me know down in the comments below if you received any similar products, or if you saw any that you liked or disliked and stuff. Leave me all that good stuff down below because I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to be filming again soon. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any specific requests on what videos I should film. That's about it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.